Hey, hello, hi. My name is Moses James, and I'm excited to have you on this live podcast. So, in this live podcast, I want to show you how you can make use of your two-way lookups in Excel. So, if you have been familiar with Excel and you make use of Excel, or you are a virtual assistant, or you are an administrative virtual assistant, and you want to have more knowledge on Excel, you can make use of two-way lookups in Excel. Or perhaps you have been given an assignment and you don't know how you can do it. I will show you in the next 10 minutes. I will show you how you can make use of your two-way lookups. So, what do we mean by two-way lookups in Excel? So, it simply means that it's the two-way criteria that you can use to arrive at a particular result. So we have two-way criteria and which you can use to arrive at a particular result. And it is also mostly used in showcasing the prices or the prices of your product of your organization product, and also to showcase it can also be used to showcase the names of your employee and the amount they earn per month, which can run from January to December. So if this is the first time of you coming across our page or our YouTube handles, please do well to share this video, do well to like, do well to subscribe. All right, please follow along. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll give you something spectacular on this. All right, let me quickly show you how you can do this. Now, if you look at my screen right now, so on my screen I have this data which I have generated. So now, if you let's check this out. These are the company's name. Let me expand this so you can see. I have the company, I have the month. So if you see my E13, you see it shows the company, and on my F13, it shows the company name, and on my E14, it shows the month, and also the same thing on my F14, it shows the month, um, the specific month. Now we want to check this out. So if you can see, once I change this company, the revenue changes from 850,000 to 1.120. So if you look at the data here and you go under companies and you search for um, Shift Tech. Okay, I think it's Shift Tech. Let me expand this. Okay, Shift Text, and you look for Shift Text Enterprise. So in Shift Text Enterprise in September, they have a revenue of 1,120,000. So they had a revenue of 1,120,000. Now we want to do this. Let me quickly show you how you can do this. Now I'm making use of G13. So I will replicate this company, then press your enter, month, then press your enter. Now we have gotten the company the month, and the next thing is our revenue. Then you leave it this way and navigate to the next column, which is column H13 as well. So now to get this to get this drop down of our organization, to get this drop down of organization, we are going back to our knowledge on data validation. So we're going back to our knowledge on data validation. So this time around, we want to validate the month, I mean the company names. So we want to validate it, and we don't want it to show any company that is not listed on the screen here. So this is what we want to do. I'll click on each section, then move to our data, then go to data validation here, then click on data validation. Then the next thing is it will show you this option, allow any value. Then you remove this and put list. So under your list, you are to search for the array that you want to search your company names. So now I'm having um H I'm having A2 to A6. So that is the array number A2 to A6. You press OK. Now, if you click this, you'll see that there's a drop down button. So now we are having the list of the organization. Let me click on, or let me choose MB Tech Innovations. So let me quickly expand this so we can fit in to what we are doing actually. So now we have a similar thing here. So this is the similar scenario. Now the next thing is to replicate the same method, but this time around we are going for month instead of year. Data validations, the same thing. Click on list, select your data array, which is the month. So once I've selected this, the next thing to do is just to click on OK, then click on OK. Now we have the same thing for months. Now the next thing is to calculate our revenue. This is where the two-way lookups come into play. Now, so if you're just joining me, type in your name. I want to know your name, and I also want to know where you're joining me from. So your name and where you're joining me from. I'm Moses James once again. So please do well to drop your name. Help me to share, help me to subscribe, and so that you'll be seeing the valuable content. And also make sure you watch to the end because you'll be getting free gifts. So free gifts, free gifts, free gifts, free gifts. So let us start. So remember that in Excel, the first thing to use before your functions is equal sign. But this time around, we want to find the index of what you want to work on. So once we have clicked the index, then we need to search for the array. So this is where your index can be found. Then the next thing to do is to click on comma. Then the next thing is to do our lookups. This is our lookup. So this time around, what are we looking at? We are looking for the company name. So we are looking for the company name at the company array. So we are looking at the company name for the company name at the company array. Then a close bracket. Then we open another. We press comma. Then also we open another bracket. But this time around, we are looking for the month. comma, and also in the months array. Please always make sure you put the comma so that Excel will understand what you are doing. Then we close bracket and close another bracket. So now this, what we're trying to do is to, if I should press enter now, you see that it shows that no value. Let me check this. So it shows that no value. This showing this, it shows there's an error. Then the next thing is to come here. Now, to get this exact, or to get our result as this, so to get our result as this, what we need to do is to um, match our cell. So that means we are matching this to cell H3 because we are looking at the value in cell H3, which will run through the array of A2 to A6, which contains the company's name. Now, the next thing is also to insert our match. So now, we are going to do here. There's what we call match type. Then the press. So your match type determines the kind of result you will get. But in this case, we want to get the absolute value. We have to get the exact value of what you have been given. So I will put 0, and also here I'll put 0. So this 0 shows or will return the mathematical value, and this 0 here. Well, if we should use -1 and 1, that one is to me is not okay to what we want to do right now. So -1 is, or 1 is, can be only used at a decimal um, given data. So now I've selected MJ Tech Innovations in the month of March. So the revenue generated in the month of March by MJ Tech Innovations is, let me see, is 890. Okay, 890. 890. So if you look at the screen here, you see that it is 890. So this is how to use the two-way lookups in Excel. This is how to make use of it in Excel, and it's very very important to, Lord Jesus, show mercy. So if you check this now, you see that our system work automatically. So it also works here automatically. Now let's this is how to make use of two-way lookup. So this is how to make use of two-way lookup. So you can do well to share this video and also like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from us. And if you're interested in virtual assistant services, and you want to know more about virtual assistants, you can subscribe to our online course. So the online course carries more of Excel. So there you will be taught how to make use of your Excel from your basic knowledge to advanced knowledge. And also you'll be added to a community where you'll be guided, and also you will teach on how you can get a client using your skill. Now to get clients using your skill. So if you want to subscribe to this, just click on the link below. So all you need to do is to click on the link below and get the course absolutely at a discount rate So I will drop the coupon code you will use. So once I drop the coupon code, just apply to it, you'll get a whopping discount of 60% discount from me to you. So 60% discount from me to you. That's what you'll get. 60% discount from me to you. So do well to share, do well to like, do well to comment. I'm Moses once again. Thank you for joining. See you on the next video.